Good morning, students. So today we are going to start with the new chapter, strategies in the job search process. So it is one of the interesting the chapter where everyone is going to do the job. That everyone is going to seek the job. So for that, what are the strategies are there for searching a proper job? So now we are going to see some of the chapter objectives here. Upon completing this chapter, you will be able to conduct an effective job search process. You can compose an effective cover message. So, effectively, you can prepare your resumes and the follow ups, and effectively, you can prepare for your interviews. To do all these things, so you should be able to develop and use the network of contacts in your job search, assemble and evaluate the information that will help you select a job, identify the sources that can lead you to an employer, compile a print and electronic resume that are strong, complete and organized, write and targeted cover messages that skillfully sell your abilities, explain how you can participate effectively in an interview. So these are all the goals are there. So after the end of this particular chapter, so you people are able to achieve these particular goals. Now let's begin with this particular chapter, that is a job search. So everyone who is living in this particular world, everyone wanted to do some job for his livelihood. If you want to survive on this particular earth, so he has to do something, he has to do some job. Either it may be in a corporate world, either it may be in an education system, either he can do his own business, either he can do it in his own fields, as a farmers are going to be doing. Is it clear? So everyone who is going to be presented here, he has to do some work, that is to earn the money to survive on this particular earth. So now here we are going to be see about that. If you want to search and a job, you are an educated person. If you want to get a job in a corporate world, if you want to do a job it in IT industries, is it clear? If you want to do a job it in any automobile industries, any chemical industries, is it clear? So what you have to do according to your qualification, you are going to searching a job, you are going to seeking a particular job. So the job seeking is directly related to your success and your happiness. Is it clear? So it is a vital, it is a very important that you conduct the job search properly. Okay, so that you prepare it wisely and carefully and proceed diligently. So now here we are going to be see about that. Some of the following the review of the job search strategies are there. So definitely they are going to help you to success in getting a job. So what are these strategies are there? So it has been here classified into three different categories. The first one, it is related to how you are going to build a network of contacts. Is it clear? Second one is relating to identifying an appropriate job which is best suitable for your particular qualification, a job which is best suitable for your interest. Is it clear? The next one is that finding your employer, that is who is going to provide you the job. These are the three main things are there. Okay, so now we are going to start with the first one, that is building a network of contacts. So in this building a network of contacts here, so here you can begin the job search long before you are ready to find an employment. It's not like that tomorrow morning you need a job and start the job searching. So this work has to be started long before, okay, you are ready to find an employment. So that is before the end of your the courses, before the end of your degree courses or PG courses, whatever the course studies you people are conducting now. Okay, so before the end of that only you should be prepared for searching the job, you should be prepared for searching an employment. So that's why he is going to say that you can begin this job search long before you are ready to find an employment. So for that, what you have to do, is it clear? So you can build a relationship with the different types of the people you can, who can help you to find the work when you need it. So such people include, who are these particular people? So they can help you to find an a job for you. So the people may be your classmates, the people may be the professors, or the people may be the some business people. Is it clear? So your classmates may help you to get a job. So your professors are going to help a lot to find a particular job, and some of the business peoples who are already a successful businessman. So if you are having a very good contact with these particular people, when you approach these particular people, definitely they are going to help you to get a job. So now we are going to be see one by one. Okay, as I listed these particular points under the first one heading, that is a building a network of contacts. In what way? Okay, so you can build a contact with the different people. So the first one here, it is that the first thing what you people have to do is that you have to broaden your circle of friends. Is it clear? So you have to enlarge your circle of friends. So the wider your circle of friends, okay, and the acquaintances, the more likely you are to make an employment contacts. Is it clear? So always you should be under the friend circle, and you just go on enlarging wider your friend circle. They may be related to the different areas. Is it clear? So if you have wider your circle, your contacts are going to be increased. Is it clear? Your friends are already working in some of the other companies. When you contact them, they are going to give you the information. So your friends may be working in the different areas. Is it clear? Either maybe in the IT, either maybe in the automobile, or either they may be working in any particular sector. Is it clear? So if you wider your friends circle, so automatically you are going to get the lot of contacts will be there. So your friends is the first source that your friends will help you to get an employment. Is it clear? So this is the first one here, what they are going to say, that so broaden your circle of the friends. Second one, the point here, it is that so what you have to do to get a job. Okay, the second one is that you first know your professors. Is it clear? So because the professors often consult for the business. Okay, so they may know number of key executives, they may know able to help you contact them. Okay, so your professors are having a lot of informations, lot of contacts are there. So if you are related to any particular IT related, or if you are related to any finance related, they know that a number of business people, number of executives will be there, number of HRs they know. Is it clear? So definitely when you contact your professor, they are going to help you. Okay, you go and contact with this particular HR. Okay, so you meet him, you give the resume. So in this way they are going to give you lot of informations, and they are also going to give you the information about wherever the possible openings are there. Okay, in which company they are hiring the employees, what type of the requirement is there. Okay, so when is the interview, everything the detailed information about the possible openings are going to be shared by the professors. So you have to maintain a very good relationship with your professors. That is definitely they are going to help you. So as you know that I just wanted to give you one example, that is in our department only, that Adhyapak sir. Okay, so definitely they are going to do very well, that every day they are going to give you number of information about the placement. Is it clear? So they are updating all that information in the WhatsApp. Okay, all placement related informations, which companies are coming here, what they are required from the students. Is it clear? So every details is going to be given by the professor, Adhyapak sir. So this is, if you maintain a good relationship with that particular professor, if you contact him, so definitely they are going to help you, because they are having the lot of the relationships are there, the lot of people they are going to be communicating, they are interacting with the different placement officers, okay, of different colleges. So they are having a lot of information about job openings. Is it clear? So this is that you know your professors, you maintain a very good contact with your professors in your college. So your professors is definitely going to help you to get the job. Okay, the next one here it is that meeting the executives. So what you have to do, so there are number of the business executives are there, so what you have to do, so meeting a key business executives definitely will help you to lead to an employment contacts. Is it clear? So some of the topmost executives of any particular business or any industries, so you have to maintain some contacts over there. Okay, you have to meet them. Okay, if you are having a contact with such a particular the high the personal, so definitely they are going to help you. Some of the examples here they are given. Say for example, some of the members of the news group will be there. So if you are having a contact with this the members of the news group, so can sometimes be helpful. Okay, but you need to evaluate those leads very carefully. The next one here is that you have to make a contact through the internships. So at the end of that particular each that the semester, at the end of that each course, is it clear? So you people are going to an internship. Is it clear? At the end of the NCA, before that, that is in the last semester of the MCA, you people are attending the internship. So you have to take a benefit of this particular the internships, because you have exposed to the outside world, you started working with the company, you know you have to gain the knowledge, and you have to expand your contacts with the people who are working in that particular the company or organization. So these experiences what you have gained in that company, the contacts what you have expanded, the contacts what you are having you make in the internship might lead to your first career the position. Is it clear? If you have done a very well job in that particular company, is it clear? So if they are having a very good opinion, if you have generated your goodwill over there, definitely the company itself is going to offer you the job. Or sometimes if there is no opening, so they can suggest the other different companies. Is it clear? So okay, you join this particular company where there is an opening will be there, just definitely uh, you are going to get this particular type of the job over there and this much of the salary. Is it clear? So if you perform well, so your internship could turn into the full-time employment. So this is that you have to the make a context to the internship. So definitely this internship will help you to get the job. The next one, that is a work with the community organizations. So by working in the community the organizations, so that is what are these community organizations, number of charities are there. So you have to actively participate in these particular charities. There are different the people are presented over there every day. You are you will come in contact with these particular peoples when you are going to work in the charities. That is the community improvement groups will be there, fund raising groups will be there. Is it clear? So lot of different high level, high profile, high company executives are also the member of these particular the charities or any company community improvement groups or any fundraising groups. So a lot of these type of the groups are available. So what you have to do, so you have to be a part of these particular groups. So you have to get a good contacts with the people who are presented over there. Okay, so definitely among that some of the people will be there, they are going to help you to get the job. So you can meet the community leaders also. Is it clear? So different communities are there, the different community leaders are also going to be presented. If you meet a leaders, definitely they are going to help you to get a job. You can meet a leaders in your field. Okay, leaders can open the door if for you now and in the future. Okay, so this is the one of the best approach. So where through this particular approach also you people are going to get a job. That is be work in community organizations and then meet a community leaders and all. So definitely these community leaders are going to help you. Community leaders can always open the door for you people. Is it clear? And in the future also. Now the next one is that identifying an appropriate jobs. Is it clear? So these are all the things are there. That is how you have to build a network of contacts. So this is you can build a network of contacts, that is by broaden your circle of the friends, know your professors. Definitely your professors are going to help you, meet the executives, make a contacts through the internship, or work with the community organization. So this is how you can build your network of a contact. So when you are having a contact with a huge people, so definitely among anyone will be there, so definitely who will help you. So the next one here we are going for identifying an appropriate job. Okay, so we will stop it here. So second one option we will continue it.